Hi all, welcome to the Linehan family channel. Firstly, before we start and tell you where we are, I just want to say thank you so much for such great response on Rosie's card. That little video that we did for Rosie was just to help her and support her and her family. And I understand how much you all like Goan food, and it was overwhelming for us to see so many people have commented on that. Keep it coming, and we're going to show you places around in our area, which is Verem and Nerul. So this place is called the Goan Nook. It's located in Verem, which is again close to the Rees Magos Fort, very close to our house. Parking over here is not that great, so we parked a little further and walked about 100 meters, which is not bad. A little bit of walking doesn't bother you, which is okay. It's an old house, old Goan house, which is converted into a restaurant. It's got outside seating and it's got a pool table which opens in the evening, and they've got a huge projector. So if there's a huge match going on, if there's a football or a cricket, they do show it up over here. So this is not your usual thali place, but they've got proper Goan food. So they've got fish cutlets, they've got mussels, they've got crabs, Veio, then they've got chicken, kafrial, shakuti, chicken sausage masala, egg masala. In pork, so what someone recommended, that's a friend of ours, recommended me to come here to have the pork sausage noodle. I'm assuming it's the Chori's fried noodles. That's what I'm going to order. And they've got beef. So the beef armas is supposed to be really nice. I'm already drooling. Okay. For baby, could we please order one French fries?
Yeah.
And for us to share, could we get one pork sausage noodle? Okay. Is this Goan sausages?
Yes, of course.
Yes. One pork sausage noodle. And just to try, can we get a beef croquette, please?
Sure.
Yes, thank you. So I've ordered a beef croquette. It says 6 numbers of beef, so 6 pieces for 150 rupees. It's a huge menu to go through, but beautiful menu. Can we get a beef roast as well, please?
Beef roast,
Yeah?
You want the beef tongue roast?
No, not tongue. Not tongue. Just beef roast. Plain beef roast.
Okay.
Yes. Thank
and
you.
With some 2 breads or 1 bread?
Poi you have?
Poi is not there. Now
Poi.
bread will be.
Bread will be there. Okay, give us with 2 breads.
2 breads.
Yes. Yeah.
Or any fried rice or you want?
No. Maybe later we'll get fried rice or something. Now just beef roast with 2 breads and the croquettes and the sausage noodles. Thank
That
you.
is, almost
Already ordered, no?
already
Okay.
ordered, yeah.
Thank you.
I'll make a toasted and give it to you.
The bread, no?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. French fries come first.
Thank you. That's such a cute plate with, I've never seen that plate. It's such a lovely one with tomato sauce and French fries. Yeah, look at the plate. It's so cute.
Hey, Joe.
That's beef croquette that's arrived with proper Goan salad. So croquette, has anyone ever tried croquette? Do let me know in the comment. It is beef minced with some Goan spices, fried with semolina, which is rava, and fried hot. And there's very little oil. It's so nice and crispy. It's really nice. Simple home cooking. So out of 5, I would give that, I think, a good 4.8. It is that tasty. Can I try a fish dish? Veio are those small ones, no?
Yeah, small one.
With rava. You've got that now?
Yeah, it's
Can I get 1 plate of that, please?
sure.
That's good bar snack. Thank you. Joe, what is Veio? Small.
Small.
What is it
Like
called in
white
English?
bait, white bait.
I ordered Veio. I know what it is, but I didn't know the English name of it. So it's called silver fish. I've just ordered small silver fish with rava fry. They are proper bar snack to go with. So we were drinking Urak, which was very mild. Now we switched to Feni. Cheers. No, because if he's going to Bombay, he might as well take a big bottle for my mother. But I try. It's really nice. Try. Spicy? Oh my God, look at that bread. What's that? Beef roast.
Roast, yeah.
So what's arrived over here is beef roast. It's got onion, a slice of chili, some coriander. It's made with Goan spices. Jesus, that's magic in your mouth. And we've got 2 breads. They've toasted the breads for us. You could either eat it with like how you eat your cutlet bread. You could do this and eat it. The crunch on the bread. So this is priced at 370. Where would you ever get a beef roast for 370 rupees? That tasty. Mirai has been asking me for a bread, so I'm going to pass a bread to her. There you go, baby. I don't think I've ever had noodles. You've had Chinese noodles at these gadas and all when they sell. But this is the Goan sausages. They are like proper pieces of Goan sausages. Let me know if you've come to Goa and you've tried Goan sausages. Let me know where do you get your sausages from. Usually when we go to South Goa, we get our sausages from this place in Varka called Dominic's. And I love it when we have a little barbecue at home to put it on fire and eat it with a poi. Simple Sunday food. Let's taste this and I'll let you know how it is. My God, I think every noodle has got the sausage flavor. So what I think is they fried the sausages and then they put their noodles with all these vegetables. Good amount of sausages, huh? And that's again priced at, what's the price for this? In the menu. Okay, I'll just tell you the price. Okay, that's 300 rupees. 300 rupees. Can you get a better sausage noodles for 300 rupees than this? Do let me know. Leave it in the comment. Usually I eat one dish and then I go ahead and review. But me being Shabo, who enjoys her Goan food, this for me, out of a 5, even the onion, it's got such good flavor to it. Out of a 5 is 4.8. And I'll tell you why. This is Nahia, my daughter, older one, has told me, Mama, if you're giving a 4.8 out of 5, you need to say, why am I not giving the 0.2? So, just for Nahia, thank you Nahia. And the reason I'm not giving the 0.2, the food could be a little more hotter than it is. It came a little cold, but the taste is amazing. Again, I'm going to take a little more to tell you all about this. It is a messy dish. One thing I'll tell you all, it is a messy dish. So please don't wear white and come. You'll have noodles all around you with sausages. What a lovely, lovely thing to make. A beautiful dish to put on the menu. Simple home cooking Hakka noodles with sausages. And that for me is definitely a 5 out of 5. I'm just going to place Mirai with Lillian. So Lillian is Sydney's daughter, the owner of this place. Just done with that. And what's arrived over here is Veio, which is silver fish. Just found that out. I don't know, in Bombay we used to have something called mandeli. And you don't get mandeli over here. So if you're from Bombay, I'm sure you've eaten mandeli. But this is, I'm not sure if it is as similar as mandeli, but it's called Veio, which is silver fish. Look how fresh is this fish. So the fishing boat in Goa was stopped until 31st of July, but 1st of August, fishing has started again. You can either eat it with the bone, or you can eat it without the bone. I still eat it without the bone. David eats the whole thing. I don't know how he does it, but if they're smaller ones, I can eat it without the bone. With the bone, but it's a little bigger one. Marinated with plain salt and a little bit of chili powder and fried again with semolina. They use quite a lot of semolina everywhere in Goa. Whether it's beef cutlet, chicken cutlet, croquettes, fish, everything has to be fried with semolina. And this for me, out of 5, I would give a 4.5. That's again different to different palate. For me, a little more masala, I think a little spice would be much better. For me, it's a little bland, but it's still nice. So I've eaten Veio, I've eaten beef roast, sausage, but somewhere I just want to order crabs. I'm just going to go ahead and order crabs. Excuse me. I'll just check what crabs do they have. You've got crabs?
Crab we have.
What crabs do you have? In what style do you make it?
How you want to? Shake you want?
Ani?
Or masala?
Masala as in you make rechad masala or?
Not really. Crab cannot make a rechad.
Oh, you cannot.
Try.
Okay. I think I will have crab shak shak.
Crab shake.
What is shak shak? Tell me.
Shake is put it in and then make it dry.
Okay. It's like dry, right?
Is it dry?
Okay. Can you please get me?
One shake is coming boneless. That we don't.
Oh no, I want to actually break my crabs and eat it. Yeah. Please get me one plate.
Sure.
Thank you.
And something else with it?
No, just that for now. Thank you. So crab, I've loved my crabs. But I think for crab, I don't know, I need to get a huge bib. I could have got Mirai's bib to sit and eat the crabs. Let me see when it comes. So that's introducing Sydney, the man himself,
Hey.
the owner of Goan Nook. So Sydney, how long you've had this place?
For 16 years now.
16 years? Wow. So that must be 2008 you opened it. See?
Yes.
Can you please tell us more about your place?
Like, I used to have another place there down Agyar Taven.
Yes.
I used to run that first.
Okay.
Then that place was not enough for me, so I gave it to my brother. So he's taking care of it, and I opened this place.
So Sydney's brother Sheriff has another place, Taverna Bar, which is very good for Feni.
Yeah.
And in the month of March and April, he has the best
Best of
Niro. Urak. Before Urak is Niro. He sells really good Niro over there. You tell us what's your speciality of this restaurant? What's your favorite dish?
Like, we do all the Goan food, like beef, pork, chicken, fish, and everything is special.
Anything else you could recommend for us?
One more dish is there, very special, is pork sausage with beef chili. We make it fusion
Oh, you make
and mix.
So you mix pork sausage and beef
and
chili.
beef chili
Okay.
together.
Can I please order one of that? Whatever Sydney said. Thank you.
Yeah. That's really a signature dish here. And
And-
even chicken kafriel.
Chicken kafriel.
Yeah, that's what. And that's all prepared with, masala is prepared from my wife.
From your wife. Oh, that's really nice to know. And any dessert? What dessert? I love my desserts.
We don't have right now at the moment dessert,
Yeah.
but we do seradura and
Seradura.
yeah. And
Seradura is
makkah.
again a Goan dessert.
Yes, Bibbinka also.
Bibbinka. Oh my God, we all love Bibbinka. But it's homemade Bibbinka?
Homemade
Homemade
Bibbinka.
Bibbinka. You next time please message me. I'll leave my phone number and let me know when Bibbinka's there. I'll come get it. And I think it gets busier in the evening, right? Yeah. So this place gets busier in the evening. However, we try not to do a review in the evening just because we've got a 3.5-year-old who sleeps by 8 o'clock. So we try and come in the afternoon.
We do karaoke also on Saturdays.
On Saturdays, you do karaoke's. Nice to know. Anything else you would like to add so our viewers know?
And we do have repeaters customers always.
Okay.
Yeah, and they always love my food, and they like to praise me a lot.
That's nice. So please come support local business in Nerul and Verem and help our local business grow all the more. So Sydney has got me 3 different Feni
based, but huge.
Feni based infused, and he wants me to tell him what it is. That's cumin, jeera. I'm wrong. What is it then? Star anise. I'm right, it's star anise. It took me a little while. Aniseed. Fennel. Sorry. Fennel. And the second one now.
Now try this one first.
Oh, you want me to try this one? Okay. Cardamom.
Yes.
Oh my God, cardamom Feni.
Yeah.
I think more than me, my husband's happy over there. Because all that is coming his way. This is star anise.
That's like 5 spices in there.
5 spices. Can you tell me the spices?
Star anise,
Yeah.
pepper,
Pepper,
clove,
cinnamon,
and one more hidden spice.
hidden spice. You're not going to tell us. So this is what our granny used to give us when we would be sick as
It's
kids.
very good for throat, stomach upset. Just one shot.
Okay, so what you're trying to tell us, don't go to the doctor. If you're sick, come to Sydney's and please have a shot of Feni. Thank you. You don't need a spoon and a fork for crab. All you need is your hands.
And actually by eating hand, it get more tasty.
This is pork sausage with beef chili and crab shakshak.
I'm just gonna taste now.
What is it?
So it's Goan sausage and beef mixed chili fry. So mixed pork and mixed beef. Let's try this. That's a piece of beef. Oh, that's like beef chili fry. That's really nice, huh? That's such an amazing dish for pork and I'm literally drooling. My croquette rolling from here to there. It's not my croquette actually. I'd given it to Mirai and she didn't want to eat it. I don't even know what to rate this. Out of 5, I think I would give it a 10 out of 5. It's that nice. Okay, that's crab shak. You don't need a spoon or a fork or anything. Look at how beautiful they've made the carrot look. It's in the shape of a heart. What crab is this?
It's a wild crab. from the mud crabs. Yeah.
Mud crabs?
Mud crab, yeah. Mud
Okay,
crab.
that's mud crabs.
And the sea crab is softed one. This is the hard one and the better good taste.
So you get 2 pieces of crab, a full crab. And what is this priced at? No. What's the price this? What's the price of this? 300 rupees. So 300 rupees for that portion. And crab shack is coconut based with Sydney's wife's masala. Let me just dig into this. This is the last dish we are tasting, so I'm not worried about getting messy. This would have been a proper lunch with hot basmati rice on a rainy day. The weather in Goa is so beautiful, and this is fresh crab. I don't know if you can see it, but that's proper coconut based masala. See, come support this local business, because if you're in Goa, you can go to any other state and eat a different kind of food. But when you're in Goa, please come and try Goan, local Goan food. Again, I don't know how much I'm going to give this out of 5. It's a full 5 for me. There's nothing you can fault at it. Nothing. The only thing that could fault would be my root canal. That's the only thing that could fault and nothing else. So we've got Sydney's lovely wife over here who's come on our table to say hello. Something that she's told me right now is they also sell Bibbinka, which is, how many hours in advance do we order?
1 day.
1 day in advance, and it's priced at
700 per kilo.
700 for a kilo for proper Bibbinka. So instead of buying any packaged Bibbinka, I won't write the names which Bibbinka I'm talking about, any packaged Bibbinka, please come and get local Bibbinka made by Sydney's beautiful wife.
And my mother-in-law.
Oh, sorry. And her mother-in-law. Oh, so these are Goan sweets which are called Bibbinka Doal, and they're selling everything over here. However, you need to give them 24 hours notice. I'll put Sydney's number in the description for you to go ahead and order. So Susie does all this catering, same kind of food in London. In Hayes. Okay, I'll put that up. Huh?
Yeah.
Like we said, we would like to try and support more local business. Oh my God, it's unbelievable for the food that we had. We had 2130. Isn't that good value for money? You cannot get this bill anywhere. We as a family have had a beautiful, good afternoon over here. We came here about 1 o'clock and it's good 3:34. Had nice chit chat with Surinder and Siddhi, and the bill was really worth it. So please come try this place, support local business. Thank you. Support Linehan Family Channel.
A rainbow is right there. That's a toy one. And yeah, that's a toy one. Okay?